Improper fractions can be converted to mixed numbers and vice versa. That means mixed numbers can be converted to improper fractions. Now the fraction we see here, 5/4, is an improper fraction because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Now this 5/4 can be written as 4/4 and 1/4, and it can be shown in this diagram as one full circle, where I have 4 parts and I have selected all the 4 parts, and another circle where a quarter of a circle is selected. So we know that this whole first circle where I have selected all the 4 parts, it makes a whole. So we can say that it is same as 1 and 1/4, which is a quarter. So that becomes a mixed number, which is 1/4. Now, is there a method? Is there a method with simple steps that can help me to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number? Yes. So the method here is this. You take the improper fraction and divide its numerator by its denominator. So in this case, we divide 5 by 4. 4 ones are 4, and so you subtract 4 from 5, the remainder is 1. So we know that the quotient here is 1 and the remainder is also 1. So the quotient becomes the whole number. The remainder becomes the numerator and denominator remains the same. So in this case, quotient and remainder both were 1. So let's take another example. Let's look at this improper fraction 23/6. Again, divide 23 by 6. 6 3s are 18. Subtract 18 from 23. Remainder is 5. So the quotient is 3. Remainder is 5. Now quotient becomes the whole number. So we have 3 as the whole number. Remainder becomes the numerator, and the denominator remains same. So the fraction is 5/6. So the mixed number is 3 5/6. Now can we do other way around? Can we take a mixed number and convert it to an improper fraction? Yes, let's see that. Now you see this diagram here. I have this one whole, that means 1, and in the second part of the diagram, out of 3 squares, 2 are selected, so that becomes 2/3. So the mixed number is 1 2/3. Now I know that the whole can be written as 3/3 because I have selected all the 3 parts. So let's write 1 as 3/3 and 2/3 remains same. So 3/3 and 2/3 makes it 5/3. That's an improper fraction. Now again, is there a method or some simple steps that I can use to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction? Yes. And this method would be opposite to what we did before. When we were converting an improper fraction to a mixed number, we were using division. Now here, when you have the mixed number and you want to get an improper fraction, you would do multiplication. Exactly do the opposite. So how we do that? Here we take the whole number, which is 1, and multiply it with the denominator, which is 3. So 1 multiplied by 3. Add the numerator. So 1 3s are 3 plus 2, it becomes 5. 5 is your new numerator and the denominator remains the same. So always take the whole number, multiply by denominator, add the numerator, that becomes your new numerator and denominator remains the same. Let's take this example, 2 4/15. So that becomes 2 multiplied by 15. 15 2s are 30. Add 4, that becomes 34. Denominator remains the same, which is 15. One more example here, 5 3/7. So 7 5s are 35. What I am multiplying here is the whole number and the denominator. Add the numerator, so 35 plus 3 is 38 and the denominator remains the same, which is 38 over 7. So you can follow these simple steps and convert an improper fraction to a mixed number or a mixed number to an improper fraction.